Welcome to the second stop on your Passport Atlanta trip presented by Greater Atlanta Builds Credit. As we navigate this stop, here's an overview of what we will cover. Learn what banks do, identify the major types of insured financial institutions, identify 5 reasons to use a bank, describe the steps involved in opening and maintaining a bank account, describe how to make a bank deposit and withdrawal, learn about mobile banking options. What do banks do? A bank is a business that offers you a safe place to keep your money and uses your deposits to make loans. This business is also called a financial institution. Why keep your money in a bank? There are 4 main reasons: safety, convenience, cost, and security. Physical money is safe from theft, loss, and fire when kept in a bank. You can get money quickly and easily. Using direct deposit, for example, saves you time and allows you quick access to your money. Funds that are electronically deposited in your account are available sooner than if you deposited a check. You can also use automated teller machines, better known as ATMs, to get fast access to your money. Most ATMs are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can also use your bank's ATM or debit card to make purchases instead of using cash. Using a bank is probably cheaper than using other businesses such as check cashing services to cash your check or pay bills. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, insures deposits up to the maximum amount allowed by law. There are 2 types of financial institutions: banks and thrifts, and credit unions. Before we move any further, let's go over a few important banking terms: deposit, withdrawal, balance, bank statement. When you open a bank account, you put money into your account. Anytime you put money into your account, it is called a deposit. There are a number of ways you can make a deposit: at the bank, direct deposit, or at the ATM. Withdrawal. Anytime you take money out of your account, that is called a withdrawal. Your account balance is the amount of money you have available in your account at any time. Bank statement. The financial institution makes a monthly record of the deposits and withdrawals made available to you either by mail or online. This is called a bank statement. Moving on to checking accounts. A checking account allows you to pay bills and buy goods with the money you have deposited. When you write a check, use an ATM or debit card, the financial institution takes the money from your account and pays it to the designated person or business. It is a good idea to compare the rules of the different accounts. For example, banks might require you to have a certain balance to open an account, earn interest, or avoid fees. This is usually called a minimum balance. There are 3 benefits of having a checking account: convenience, cost, and safety. Checking accounts are convenient because you have quick and easy access to your money. You can use checks and debit cards to make purchases instead of carrying cash. You can also have money from your employer directly deposited into your account. Direct deposit means that rather than receiving money as a paper check, the money is electronically deposited into your bank account. Using a checking account is usually less expensive than using other services. It is also safer to use checks and debit cards than to carry large amounts of cash because you do not have to worry about your cash being stolen or lost. If your checkbook or debit card is stolen or lost, report it as soon as possible to your bank. Opening your checking account. To open your checking account, you will generally be asked for photo identification, usually a state ID card, driver's license, passport, or perhaps even your student ID. You might need more than one picture ID to open your account. This protects you and the bank. Since practices vary, please ask your bank what type of ID you will need. They will also ask you for your Social Security number. Some banks may accept an alternative number such as an individual taxpayer identification number. These numbers are generally used to help identify you and to look up your credit history. Lastly, they will need an opening deposit. This amount varies depending on the minimum amount required for the checking account that you choose. When you open a checking account, you will generally receive 3 things: an ATM or debit card, a checkbook, and a check register to keep track of your deposits and withdrawals. ATMs and debit cards. When you open an account, you'll probably be given an ATM or a debit card. Both types of cards give you access to your account funds when you need them. An ATM card allows you to make deposits to and withdraw from checking and savings accounts. You can usually check your account balance, print statements, and transfer funds between accounts. A debit card, also known as a check card, usually displays the MasterCard or Visa logo. It has all the functions of an ATM card, plus it allows you to pay for food, goods, services, at locations that accept MasterCard or Visas. It looks like a credit card, but it is not. Remember, your purchases are immediately withdrawn from your account. When you use a debit card to make a purchase, the retailer may ask you to choose whether to process the transaction as a debit or as a credit transaction. You will need a PIN to complete the debit transaction. A PIN is usually a 4-digit code set up when you receive your card. Making a deposit. Once you have opened a checking account, there are several ways you can add money to your account. These include cash or check deposit using a teller, direct deposit, ATM deposit, or deposit money directly from your mobile device. A direct deposit occurs when your employer or government agency deposits your paycheck or benefits into your checking account electronically. The money is immediately available when your bank or credit union opens. Some banks will not charge monthly fees if a direct deposit is used. With direct deposit, you have one less thing to worry about because it is the safest way for you to receive your money. You can avoid the inconvenience or expense of depositing or cashing a check. You have an easier and more convenient way to access your money, and you can take control over your money and your time because it is predictable and dependable. Withdrawing your money. There are 3 ways you can take money out of your checking account. You can write a check, use a teller service and a withdrawal slip, or use an ATM. Savings accounts. Next, we will talk about the other type of account you can open when you open your checking account. A savings account offers you a safe place and a safe way to conveniently save money. An easy way to save is to have money automatically deposited from your checking account. You generally will be paid interest on the money you have in your savings account. Usually you cannot write checks on a savings account, and you can often open a savings account with just a few dollars. You can keep track of your account balance by reviewing your account statement. Next, let's discuss banking technology, cell phone or mobile banking. Depending on the services offered by your bank or credit union and your cell phone provider, you may be able to complete the following banking transactions from your cell phone. You can receive message and text alerts when the account balance reaches a certain level, access your online bank account to check balances, pay bills, and transfer funds between accounts, locate your bank's closest ATM, and pay for purchases. While we are discussing banking technology, we must discuss the safety tips for mobile banking. The internet makes it easy to shop for financial services and conduct banking transactions any day and any time. However, safe electronic banking involves making wise choices that will help you avoid costly surprises, scams, or identity theft. To bank safely online, use a secure and encrypted connection to the internet. Ignore fraudulent emails asking you to send your account number, password, or any personal information via email. Confirm that an online bank is legitimate at www.fdic.gov. Monitor your bank account activity closely and keep your information private. Your next few tasks will require you to take action using banking solutions. One of GABC's banking partners is Mochify. Mochify is a mobility banking solution created for you to be able to quickly and efficiently manage your money right from your smartphone. The path to financial independence can be created with tools and resources right from your handheld device. The Mochify mobile banking solution can help you spend smart, build credit, and transform your relationship with money. The next few slides will discuss all of the benefits of using the Mochify mobility account as a tool to your economic future. How does the Mochify financial platform work? Mochify is an FDIC insured mobility bank account that has great convenient features such as rent reporting to TransUnion and Equifax, direct deposit for quick access to payments from your employer, and bill pay to pay your bills on time right from your phone. What does the Mochify mobility bank account have to offer me? The path to financial stability can be created right from your handheld device. You just have to log in. Mochify offers numerous no-cost features such as no credit checks to open a bank account. Approval is based on verifying your identity. No overdraft or hidden fees. No minimum balance requirement. No monthly maintenance fee. Multiple options for loading cash. And debit card access everywhere MasterCard is accepted. Additional features of mobility banking include security, protection, convenience, and control right at your fingertips. In addition, you have great payment options and, more importantly, anytime access to your funds. You may ask, since there is no physical bank, how do I get money into my account? With the Mochify Mobility Bank account, you have various options to transfer money to other accounts, load cash at numerous locations, deposit checks remotely, direct from your smartphone, or direct deposit from your employer. Another great convenience is that you can move money between accounts directly from your phone. This is at no cost to you. You can also load cash directly into your Mochify account at any of the Vanilla Direct locations at no cost with a simple card swipe or barcode scan at the register. Locations include Dollar General, Family Dollar, CVS, and Rite Aid. Remote check capture. Remote check capture allows you to simply take a picture of the front and back of your check with your phone and deposit it directly into your account for same-day access to the funds. As discussed previously, if you have a job, with free direct deposit feature from Mochify, you can have your check deposited directly into your bank account each pay period. This gives you access to your paycheck up to 2 days earlier than your scheduled pay date. The Mochify debit card can be used at any of the 55,000 Allpoint Network ATMs to withdraw cash with no surcharge fee. Look for the Allpoint logo or use the ATM locator right in your app. Are you a renter? Most renters do not get the credit score benefit for paying one of your highest and most important expenses every month, your rent. Mochify offers a unique rent reporting feature. When you pay your rent with your funds from the Mochify bank account and opt in to report your payment to Equifax and TransUnion, this can be a tool to build your credit. With Vantage Tracker, you will be able to view your credit score in real time and see your progress. With the rent reporting feature, once you opt in, each time you pay your rent, your payment is reported to TransUnion and Equifax. These positive payments can create an improved credit score of up to 30 to 50 points. The bill pay feature provides direct access to send check payments to your landlord and other vendors to quickly and conveniently pay your bills on time. Your next few tasks will require you to take action using banking solutions. Download the Mochify app today. You can download at Google Play or in the App Store. Congratulations! You've completed the Banking and Technology Workshop. Your next task is to download the Mochify app and record a 1-minute video discussion with your parents or guardian about what you learned today. Then open a Mochify bank account or visit a local banking center in the community. Now go out there and be great and exercise some of the knowledge you've learned today about banking and technology.